making, Millie?
Zombie burp?
Barf.
Barf.
Zombie barf?
Zombie barf is puke!
Yeah. So tell me, try and taste it.
Oh, no way.
Taste it.
Oh my gosh.
What about you, Lee? You gonna take a drink? No. Take a drink, Mel.
Are you sure?
Yeah. It won't hurt you.
Just a little sip?
Take a big sip.
No!
Okay, take a little sip.
Oh.
You alright?
Yeah.
What does it taste like?
Zombie throw up.
You gonna take a drink?
What?
You gonna take a drink?
No.